Welcome. In this video, I will explain how to set up and read HRV status on Forerunner 70. So, first of all, the HRV, which stands for heart rate variability, is working automatically while you're wearing your watch, and it compiles the data automatically once the watch has enough overnight heart rate data. Now, to set up the HRV status, we simply have to go to devices settings, which we can do by holding down the middle left key and scrolling down to watch settings. Now here in settings, we're gonna have to go to health and wellness and open this feature. And now we're gonna have to select wrist heart rate and set its status to either auto or on, and then just wear the watch while we sleep. And the watch will require about 3 weeks of consistent sleep data before it can actually establish your personal HRV baseline and begin showing an HRV status. And to view this status, you're gonna have to scroll down from the watch face of your watch until you find the HRV status. In this case, we'll be able to find it in health data directly. So if we open health, we'll see the HRV status, and as you can see, it shows no data since I haven't been using this watch for quite enough time. But that's where you can read it. And that's it for this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.